works in the classroom. Welcome to this session. It works in the classroom. In this session, I am going to show how substitution table can be used in developing speaking and writing skills. You can use this strategy with your students to help them to speak or write a short paragraph. As we know, substitution table encourages pattern, practice, drill, rote learning, memorization. But here is an attempt to make use of substitution table for communicative purpose. So let's begin. Here is a substitution table. Before you start with this activity, first divide the students into group of 6. In each group, there should be 6 members and ask each of them to frame sentences. For example, I have a garden, I have a book, I have a pet, I have a watch, I have a bicycle, I have an apple tree. So students can randomly frame sentences using any object of their wish. Moving to the next. Now this is the second substitution table. In this table, you can see students cannot choose the sentences or cannot frame the sentences randomly as they have done in the previous slide. I have kept a structure card over here which will help the students to coordinate in framing the sentences with the first sentence they have prepared from the substitution table. So if it is a book, it is thick and glossy. It cannot be furry and lovely. So based on the object they have chosen, they have to select the sentences that coordinate with the object. So here students cannot randomly select the sentences of their choice. They have to select based on the object they have chosen. Similarly, in the next sentences can be framed based on the object they have chosen. So if it is a book, it is full of amazing stories. Okay. Next, moving to the next substitution table, I like it. If it is a book, I like seeing the picture while flipping the pages. So similarly, they can structure a paragraph based on the substitution table. I feel happy probably when I read stories because it relates with the book. I got it. They have to relate it to the object. I will always treasure it and read when I am alone if it is a book. My book is priceless as my father gifted to me. So they have to choose the sentences, frame the sentences based on the object they have chosen, and in this way they can write a short paragraph. And here is the structure card where they time to time they can look back to their previous sentences and they can coordinate the sentences. So take a minute to complete this paragraph based on the structures that has been given over here. Student can use this structure card at the end of the activity. So we can see that uh, here the learners cannot choose the sentence at random from the second slide onwards. So this helps the learners to decide the sentence that goes with the previous one. That is, they should be able to link with previous sentence to make it meaningful. Similarly, introduce the new sentences. So if you think that substitution table produce mere repetition of same sentence pattern, then you are wrong. This activity promotes collaboration among the students. It is based on real life situations and students' involvement here is more. As a teacher, you can invent more substitution table of this kind to trigger communication learners. Thank you.